Mastering change communication, tips and strategies for success. John C. Maxwell said, "Change is inevitable. Growth is optional, and indeed it is in any organization's growth and evolution. Whether it's implementing new processes, adopting new technologies, or shifting organizational structures, change is a constant force that requires careful management and communication." Unfortunately, change is also one of the most challenging things to communicate effectively to your employees, stakeholders, and customers. That's where mastering change communication becomes essential. At the Visual Storytellers Group, we specialize in helping organizations navigate change by using visual storytelling and strategic communication techniques. Over the years, we have worked with a diverse range of clients, from small businesses to large corporations, to deliver compelling visual messages that effectively communicate complex ideas and help drive successful change initiatives. We'll share some of our best tips and strategies for mastering change communication and driving successful transformation in your organization. Start with a clear and concise message. Before you can effectively communicate change, you need to have a clear and concise message that outlines the what, why, and how of the change. This message should be communicated consistently across all channels and touchpoints, including internal communications, customer-facing messaging, and marketing materials. At the Visual Storytellers Group, we help our clients craft powerful messaging that resonates with their audiences and inspires action. Use visual storytelling to simplify complex ideas. Visual storytelling is a powerful tool for simplifying complex ideas and making them more accessible to your audience. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation that is to come. Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple Inc. But visual storytelling isn't just about creating pretty pictures. It's about creating a narrative that resonates with your audience and helps them understand the importance of the change. By using visual elements strategically, you can create a sense of urgency and excitement around your change initiative and build buy-in among your stakeholders. Build a sense of urgency. Change can be difficult, and without a sense of urgency, your stakeholders may not feel compelled to take action. To build a sense of urgency, you need to clearly communicate the risks of not taking action and the benefits of embracing the change. Tailor your communication to different audiences. Not all stakeholders will be impacted by the change in the same way. That's why it's essential to tailor your communication to different audiences, taking into account their unique perspectives, concerns, and needs. Another key component of successful change communication is strategic communication. This involves tailoring your message to different audiences and communicating with transparency and authenticity. It's important to remember that not all stakeholders will be impacted by the change in the same way, and therefore they may need to be communicated with differently. For example, senior leaders may need more detailed information about the change, while frontline employees may need more practical information about how the change will impact their day-to-day work. By tailoring your message to different audiences, you can ensure that everyone is aligned and on board with the change initiative. Be transparent and authentic. Effective change communication requires transparency and authenticity. You need to be honest about the reasons for the change, the potential risks and challenges, and the expected outcomes. Transparency and authenticity are critical components of successful change communication. Without them, you risk losing the trust of your stakeholders and derailing your change initiative. It's important to be honest and transparent about the reasons for the change, as well as the potential challenges and opportunities it presents. Communicate regularly and consistently. Change is a process, not a one-time event. That's why it's essential to communicate regularly and consistently throughout the change process. Celebrate successes along the way. Finally, it's important to celebrate successes along the way, no matter how small. Celebrating milestones and successes is key to maintaining momentum and engagement during times of change. By highlighting your achievements and acknowledging the contributions of your team, you can build excitement for what's to come and maintain engagement throughout the change process. Mastering change communication is essential for driving successful transformation in your organization. By starting with a clear and concise message, using visual storytelling to simplify complex ideas, building a sense of urgency, tailoring your communication to different audiences. Being transparent and authentic, communicating regularly and consistently, and celebrating successes along the way, you can effectively navigate change and achieve your desired outcomes. At the Visual Storytellers Group, we have helped many organizations master change communication and drive successful transformation. Our years of experience and expertise in visual storytelling, graphic recording, and strategic communication make us a trusted partner for businesses across Australia. We are passionate about what we do, and we pride ourselves on creating relationships with our clients that are built on trust, transparency, and authenticity. If you're ready to take the next step in mastering change communication, we invite you to book a visual storyteller or schedule a discovery call with us. Let us help you drive successful transformation and create a meaningful and memorable meeting of the minds.